Ambassador wa America omu Uganda William Pope yayakirwa abebembezi b'itendekero lyamba University of Science and Technology obebembiremu Vice Chancellor Ambassador n'ababa mushendekerize babanza kubarambuza ebintu ebirino bikorwa abegina munonga cyayi ko mashumba gakwatira no kangahangaho byete amashumu ga science na technology.
Ambassador izoba oritaya yorwe wareba munonga ha projects ezitwire nezikorwa bamwe aha bacondoza bambara University of Science and Technology ezimwenzirga omu kitongore kya NIH ningashi National Institutes of Health hariho ezimwe zikurga omu Fogati International Center, harimwe zikurga omu USAID, harimwe zikurga omu Elma Foundation na n'ebindi bitongore na za universities ezikora nazo aheru ya Uganda ka Harvard University nahabwe icyo rutayo rwa ambassador rwandureba oku project says genzire nziyambaho abaturage kandi no kutwakubasa kongeza omutindo
aba master bakoze umucogo okusima government ya Uganda na government ya America abo kwakwatiraho na munonga cyayi ko mukushajika project za science.
Confront pressing demographic challenges such as disease burden, drug resistance, climate variability, limited agricultural productivity, and public health threats. We are inspired by the solidarity of our American partners.
And we also need, as all the skills and all the elements that I mentioned earlier, together with a commitment to ethical judgment. Because it's not only asking the question of can we do this, is this possible, but it's also should we do this.
America nigirango betebe kanise okora project zitari zimwe na zimwe omuhururu zitari zimwe na zimwe kureba ngo bayongera kwatiraho na munonga bejo mashumu ga science na technology obarukwira okujaguza imyaka 2005 kwiha abatungo kwetegeka.
We need expertise on the ground like all of you, and MUST is a key institution for which we want to work with and who we want to work with because of what we bring to the table.
Our TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.